We're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Today we're doing a quick 5-minute review of the WE knife Fracture. As you can see here, we have 3 models in front of us. We'll give you a close-up of them. This is the gray G10. This is the black G10. And as you can tell, they are slip joints with half stop. And this is the electric blue G10. This is the latest slip joint offering from Civivi, or the WE knife family. This is 7.75 inch overall. Of course, I mentioned that it has a G10 handle. Has a drop point blade with a hollow grind, a bead blast stonewash finish, and a plain edge. Blade length is 3.35 inch and is 8 CR14 MOV steel. Has a thumb hole for opening. And of course, it does have the half stop and a tip-up reversible pocket clip. This knife also has a deep carry. Forgot to mention that pocket clip. The stainless steel liners are milled to cut down on the weight, which brings this slip joint in at 3.12 ounce. The handle length is 4.4, so it's a good size. You can easily hide it in your pocket. So for those of you that like slip joint knives, or need to carry a slip joint knife because assisted or auto or other knives aren't appropriate for where you're going, this knife will work great. Has room for a lanyard hole or a lanyard cord. And of course, it has the infamous Civivi pivot cap. No jimping on this model, which disappoints me because I am a jimping fan. But you can't have your cake and eat it too every day. As you can tell, this knife cuts pretty smoothly. A little bit of fraying. We are into the lower model of steels, so you're going to have a little bit there. This thing could probably be sharpened up a little bit and take away some of that fraying. But for everyday use or work use, great little knife. As you can tell, the tip itself is extremely sharp. So this knife is good for cutting with the tip. It's also very thin, so it slices right through what's left of this cardboard here. Alright, so this is the Civivi Fracture. This is the newest slip joint offering from Civivi. So for those of you watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You will not be disappointed. If you're watching on Instagram, follow and like. Maybe you can get entered in one of our giveaways. I'm sure we have one going on. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.